The power is here. The power to draft, form, and design. The power to turn ideas into reality. And the power to do it faster and more precisely than ever before. Welcome to the future of design. Welcome to AutoCAD LT 2022. AutoCAD LT is a CAD leader with best-in-class 2D drafting and documentation, trusted by millions of designers, drafters, and engineers. AutoCAD LT 2022 combines an easy-to-use, intuitive interface with powerful 2D drafting tools and features the latest intelligent automation technology to empower designers like never before. By automating time-consuming tasks, enabling users to focus on the most valuable design work, by including features like Count that eliminate manual counting and errors, or with Trace, a feature that streamlines collaboration and reviews without altering the existing drawing. And because Autodesk products are made to work together, projects in AutoCAD LT flow easily across tools and teams. Leverage the power of AutoCAD, no matter the place or platform. Mac, PC, laptop, mobile, and cloud. In the office or in your home. The included web and mobile apps in AutoCAD LT 2022 let you work wherever, whenever, or on whatever device you want, and using the cloud storage platform that you prefer. From the job site to your backyard, keep your projects on track while away from the office with the AutoCAD mobile app. Design, edit, and access your DWGs right on your mobile device. And for essential CAD drafting tools from any computer, there's the AutoCAD web app. Simply log in and get to work in your web browser, connecting to your DWG files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, and third-party cloud storage providers, and drafting with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect. The 2022 AutoCAD LT connected experience across desktop, web, and mobile also features Share, which delivers peace of mind by providing control over who can access and edit your files. With every new release, we continue to push the boundaries of innovation with AutoCAD LT, helping free the designers and the drafters of today to discover the power of possibility.